When it comes to helping a victim of sudden cardiac arrest, not all automated external defibrillators, AED, are the same. The Defi 5S AED assists rescuers with real-time instructions and user-friendly. The Meditech Defi 5S, which is recommended by medical professionals, has a pediatric mode button to reduce power to children and prevent burns to the heart muscle. LED indicators help to follow the instructions. Infrared for data transfer to computer, 2 languages to choose from. 5 volume levels so you can hear the voice clearly and use the device anywhere. The Defi 5S has a daily, weekly and monthly self-test to help you determine whether or not the AED is ready for use. It comes with an AED carry bag that allows you to use the device without taking it out. It has a compartment for the first aid kit and a secure compartment for the AED electrode socket to protect it from water and dust, as well as reflective signs for use at night.